what an incredible opportunity this is for somebody. This is the Audi RS3. Now, this car has done 40,000 miles on a 2016 registration. Just 32,990 buy this car. So I'm going to talk to you about what that means. This is Nardo Grey. It's an RS3 colour, obviously, but it's such a rare car. The condition, the spec, everything about this car is brilliant, but it's the price. 32,990 will get you an incredible performance car. 2.5 petrol, just under 370 brake horsepower, 0 to 60 in around 3.9, 3.7 seconds. It's an incredible car to drive. This one has got some brilliant features. Black styling package, sunroof, super sport seats. It's also got mag ride with the chassis control, sports exhaust. It's just incredible for the money. 32,990, the best value one we've ever had. RS3, a brilliant car to drive, pound for pound, one of the best cars I have driven. And to get into the RS3 market with a price at 32,990, it's an incredible opportunity. So the car's covered 40,000 miles, which is nothing for a 16 plate car. It's been brilliantly well looked after. It's got full service history, but it's the colour, Nardo Grey, synonymous with the best colour you can buy in an RS product in an Audi. It's a four-wheel drive, so the actual drive of this car, the traction and the performance and the speed, along with the sports exhaust giving you that unbelievable noise, is second to none. With a black styling pack, you've got the black grills, the black badges, the black inserts into the bumper. Obviously the car's got a wider stance. Being an RS3, it's got the flared arches. We've got matrix LED headlights. We've got the sunroof, panoramic roof. There is other cars like this available, not with the level of spec this car's got. 19-inch rotor wheels, all the wheels are immaculate. We've got wind deflectors on here. But look at the car, come round. The condition is beautiful. It really is beautiful. At the back, black Audi rings, black badges, just continuing all that black theme. The oval RS3 tailpipes, again, signature features on this car with the F1 rear diffuser. You guys have already been around that side of the car while I've been inside it, but the car is stunning. Then, massive features, fine nappa leather super sport seats, RS3 embossed with the sport Audi red stitching. We've got Alcantara and leather steering wheel. And, you know, the car is an incredible car to drive. But then the spec with Audi, Audi's a spec sensitive. These cars are very spec sensitive in general, but with the roof, with the sports exhaust, with the mag ride, it's a great car. It's also got nav, that isn't standard on one of these, so it's got a tech pack, which gives it the higher grade navigation. It's got everything you'd want, plus more. And for the price, 32,990, go and find me a better one, because the colour, everything about the car is superb. So jumping in, we've got two keys for the car. Right, this car is also fitted with a ghost immobiliser, which insuring a car like this will really, really help you. And to start the car, I'm not going to show you on the video, but it's pretty easy. So me, in a couple of seconds, I've put the code in for the Ghost. There, we started the car. You've got S-tronic gears with paddle shift, brilliant when you're driving a car like this. The car is ridiculously fast through the gears, sounds awesome. Also different driving modes, from comfort, auto, dynamic, which opens the sports exhaust, and individual. You can tailor the drive of the car down to the chassis control, everything. The mag ride and the sports exhaust give you a much better experience when driving a car like this. It transforms the car from an animal to an absolute beast. Honestly, it's incredible. Then we've got nav and Bluetooth and music streaming and all those things. You've got heated seats, climate control, black styling theme runs through the car with the black inserts throughout the car. Alcantara on the doors, on the steering wheel, obviously flat bottom steering wheel. Everything about the car is stunning, but it's the price, 32,990. I'm going to be taking this car out for a little blast later on when I get a second, just to enjoy it, because that's what this car is for. It's for enjoyment. It's an all year round car. It's Quattro. You can use it in the bad weather. You can enjoy it in the summer with the sunroof. Everyone will admire it because of the colour, and there is a massive, massive following for these cars. There is probably going to be a hell of a lot of interest in this particular car due to all the things that I've explained on this sales video. My name's Richard. Give me a call, WhatsApp me, whatever you need, figures, finance, part exchange, whatever that is, give me a call, I'll help you. Very easy. Thanks for watching.